When you start working on a project, the first thing you do is set a project folder. This ensures all files attributed to the project are properly organized. When you open 3ds Max for the first time, the project folder defaults to an installed folder labeled 3ds Max or 3ds Max Design, but you can set the folder to a different location. A project folder has a specific directory structure. Files needed for a given project reside in their respective folders. For example, scene files created as Max files are saved in the Scenes directory, while texture maps and backgrounds are saved under Scene Assets Images. When you set a project folder, saving or opening files defaults to the Scenes folder. This makes it easy to find project scene files without browsing through your entire hard drive. To set up a project folder, you first click the Application button to display the application menu. The Set Project Folder option is found under Manage. There's also a button for it on the Quick Access toolbar. If a folder does not already exist, you can create a new one, especially if you're planning to work on a new project. Once you have named the folder, 3ds Max automatically creates a series of subfolders within it, based on the structure previously discussed. From this point on, you add support files to their appropriate folders, such as scanned images and photos to the Images folder, and sound bites to the Sounds folder, among other assets. If you have also received geometry from a colleague or business partner, make sure you copy the Max files to the Scenes folder. The new project folder becomes current. You can at any time create additional project folders or set an existing one to be current. If a project folder structure already exists on the hard drive, no additional subfolders are created. In this case, Set Project Folder only serves to make the project folder current, making access to project files easier.